How to make traditional Irish soda bread. This traditional Irish soda bread recipe is an easy, rustic loaf of bread that you can prep and bake in under an hour. Winner. Ingredients. 450-gram plain flour. 2 teaspoons sea salt flakes. 1 teaspoon bicarbonate soda. 2 tablespoons runny honey. 360 milliliters buttermilk. 1 teaspoon rolled oats. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine all the dry ingredients. Give it a 10-second whisk to aerate the flour and break up any lumps before popping it aside. 3. In a small bowl/measuring jug, combine the honey and the buttermilk. Give it a good stir. 4. Make well in the center of the dry ingredients. Add the buttermilk mixture to the mixing bowl with other ingredients. 5. Using a large wooden spoon, stir just to combine, but no more. The mixture should be a little sticky, but not overly so. This is completely normal. 6. Turn the dough out onto a well-floured surface and lightly form the dough into a ball with the top flattened a little. Soda bread dough should only just come together. It should not be kneaded. 7. Place the dough on a floured piece of baking paper. 8. Using a sharp knife, serrated works a charm. Score the top of the loaf with a cross about 1/3 of the loaf deep. 9. If you have any remnants of the buttermilk in the jug, brush it on top of the loaf. Scatter the top of the bread with rolled oats. 10. Lift the soda bread, by the paper, into a small, oiled Dutch oven, without the lid, and pop into the preheated oven. Bake for 35 minutes or until golden and the loaf sounds hollow when tapped on the base. 11. Leave to cool on a wire rack or wrapped in a cloth tea towel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.